If you're looking to learn a little bit more about Roth IRAs, you have come to the right place. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to go over what a Roth IRA is, why people use it, and how it can help you save for retirement. Let's get into it. A Roth IRA is a retirement account that lets your money grow tax-free. The biggest difference between a Roth IRA and many other retirement accounts is when you pay taxes. With a Roth IRA, you contribute money that you've already paid taxes on. In exchange, your investments can grow over time, and if you follow the rules and don't withdraw until age 59 and a half, you can withdraw your money in retirement without paying federal taxes on the earnings. You can always take out your contributions on a Roth IRA tax-free because you have already been taxed on that money. That's one of the biggest reasons why Roth IRAs are so popular. Most people with an earned income can contribute to a Roth IRA as long as they meet certain IRS guidelines. You can simply open an account with a financial institution that offers Roth IRAs and start contributing. Keep in mind again that the IRS does set annual contribution limits, so it's not like you can just throw in and contribute an unlimited amount each year. For 2026, the max contribution was $7,500. Now, here's something that surprises a lot of beginners. Opening a Roth IRA doesn't automatically invest your money. A Roth IRA is simply the account. Once your money is inside the account, you usually need to choose investments such as ETFs or stocks, index funds, or other investment options offered by your provider. And as those investments grow over time, your earnings have the potential to compound year after year. Now, an important thing to note here is time is your biggest friend when it comes to investing. The more that you contribute early on, the more time you are going to give your investments to grow and compound. Even small, consistent contributions can make a huge difference over the long term when it comes time to access this money at 59 and a half. So here's a quick recap. A Roth IRA is a type of retirement account where you can contribute money to. Keep in mind the money that you are contributing, you have already paid taxes on. Your investments have the potential to grow tax-free. Qualified withdrawals in retirement are typically tax-free. And the earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. If you're thinking about saving for retirement, a Roth IRA is definitely an account worth looking into. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you don't miss out on any future personal finance videos. I really appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next one.